Today I'm doing a video on the SINOTRUK series. This is a complete kit of the filter set. As you can see, there's a bit of repetition, but mostly the fuel and the oil, the water separator are from Mann. The oil filters are from WEICHAI, and the air cleaners are from SINOTRUK Howo. Let me get closer to show you the pictures. So this is the water separator as seen from my last video. It's an original Mann separator. You can check my profile for the complete description. This is the fuel filters. This is the fuel filter, original from Mann, small hole for SINOTRUK. Okay, not all SINOTRUK share the same diesel filters. There's a bit of difference in fuel filters and oil. Most of them share. Most of them have the metallic, the lube fuel filters and the lube oil filter, spin-on. They're called spin-on oil filters since they're metallic. Some use the paper type, which are placed inside the housing. So this is for SINOTRUK Howo. In addition, we have the air cleaner. This is the air cleaner. This is the outer air cleaner. As you can see, it's an original filter. It's imported. It's an imported filter from China. I can show it on the back side. This is the original OEM number. There are local numbers, yes, but this is the original OEM number. It's from China. So this is the air cleaner. This is the lower side. I've shown the upper side. This is the upper side. So as you can see, it's an original imported filter. As you can go now, this is the inner air filter. This is the inner air filter. It's also original it's an imported filter from China, both for SINOTRUK Howo with the original OEM numbers. So this goes right here and it fits perfectly. So this is for Howo Sinotruck. I haven't done the oil filter series, but I'll do it later on. So for today, I'm just showing the air cleaner, the fuel filters, and the separator. Thanks.